What's up? Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're finally going to be finishing up the exhaust for the shit box. We got a couple more pieces of pipe and stuff, and we got our exhaust tip. You can't see. So this thing should look pretty good. This is literally going to be a day of just fixing and doing small projects on the car to get it good to go. Because we also picked up an actual glove box. Imagine that. So we'll be able to put this thing in there, and we will no longer have to stare at this giant hole there. And what else are we gonna do? And then we're gonna do some, I don't know if we're gonna do any Challenger stuff. We do have some taillights on the way for this thing from Spec D. Should be here within the week or so. And we got the baby out here helping do some projects, huh? Yeah? Yay! She makes the craziest noises, man. We got hangers, clamps we gotta collect up and get all our shit back there, and then we're gonna start shoving some pipe on there. We're also gonna fix the melty spots in the back and cut all that off, but we'll get back to that when we're all set up. That kind of day. Yes, fantastic. We have adapted ourselves to an awesome exhaust. It looks like shit now. You won't even know when it's sitting there. Everything's clamped here. We just got one more clamp to put on and a hanger bolt. We're about to stick it up there, see what happens. It's the shit box. It's supposed to be like that. Ugh. So just gonna wiggle her up on there. There we go. I think that worked out pretty good. So it looks a little bit ricer, but that's okay, because you can't see any of them clamps and shit underneath there. It's hung. It ain't going nowhere. So we are good to go. We're gonna cut some of that melted plastic off of here, because now we actually got clearance, so it won't melt anymore. I know I had that knife around here somewhere. Hi. Huh. Is there another one underneath there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Wouldn't be surprised. Good. All done. Oh, and this radio problem that I've been trying to fix forever? Yeah, I don't know. So, the ignition problem, it never actually got fixed, even with the new little module for the aftermarket radios, but somehow now it comes on when you turn the key on. If the door's already open when you turn the key off, then you have to pull the key out for it to shut off. But if you pull the key out, then open the door, it shuts off. I don't know what it is. It just magically works now. So now we're gonna get to this glove compartment. Nice little glove compartment I found today. It's a little bit sticky, so I kind of want to paint it. But you know what? Whatever. It's just gonna get put in. So, unlock. Yay! Finally, we won't have to look at this ugly hole anymore. All right, looks like a car again. We get a glove compartment that works and it's not falling out. What's up, guys? It is the next day, and we're gonna be doing some more stuff on the shit box. But first, we need to grab the keys and this small mount. So I have a quad lock case on my phone and a quad lock sticky mount on this thing, and I believe this mount is from Pro Clip. There's 2 pieces and 2 screws, two of them to attach this piece to the actual mount. So I think all we need is a tiny Phillips screwdriver. This guy will work, and then we just stick this baby on there. That beeping's gonna get annoying. Alright, so this thing somehow attaches to like right here. Put all that stuff down. I believe that the screw-on piece goes in here somewhere. Oh, I didn't break it. Good. So it goes into this gap right there. This has got to be one of the most pain in the ass fucking things I've ever had to put together. Yeah. So those just both broke. Just from being in there. Horseshit product, dude. Yeah, right. This thing sucks. So, guess we'll just have to fix that one down there. So, let's go do that shit right now. Alright. So that was a complete failure. How that worked. So we're gonna fix the other one, which is this one. Cheap ass Chinese bendy rod with the quad lock, actual lock on top. So all we're gonna do is this part broke on the other one, so we gotta take that piece off there, which is literally a freaking Phillips. Might need a nubby though. Nubby. It will fit that way, so we literally just gotta get that off of there. Alright, so we busted out the big tools, drilled into the side of the fucking thing, screwed it down, quad lock on top, put it in that way instead of the other way this time. For some reason I did it the other way and had to bend it like 90 degrees out of the end, so it just broke. But got some extra hardware to take care of, and all these tools. You know, sometimes it just pays to use the same old shit you've been using forever, rather than buy some new stuff that this piece of shit doesn't work. These shits are like $50. So in the Challenger it worked perfectly fine. I'll show you guys the one we put in the Challenger. Oh my god, why does she lock the fucking car? Crazy. Never mind. Show you guys in the next video then. I don't feel like going to get the keys right now. But we're going to throw this in a video regardless. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this short video. It's freaking hot out today. Yeah, it says it's 88 degrees outside. Yeah, it feels like 95. None cold beer can't fix. Well, hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notifications so you can get every last video. Should be some cool stuff coming. We got a part for the Challenger coming on Tuesday in the mail. The shipbox lights. I'm going to try to get an update from car sponsors. Speaking of car sponsors, if you guys are interested in grabbing some awesome discounts and sponsorships, check them out at the link in the description. It is well worth the $80 to sign up. Just the first order you're going to make, you're probably going to save that or more. So they're a really awesome company, and I think you guys should really check them out. If you get any questions, message us directly on the Facebook or the Instagram or email. But for now, hope you guys enjoyed again. See you guys later.